You know what crazy? Just few months ago, I was spending countless hours learning different frameworks, wrestling with UI libraries and debugging animation code, creating mobile apps, websites, animated interfaces, mean dive deep into multiple technologies, watching endless tutorials and basically living on Stack Overflow. But guys, the game is changing. It's changing so fast that even I am amazed at what possible now. Hold on to your keyboards because this AI tool is about to blow your mind. Everyone's talking about ChatGPT, but today I'm showing you something that takes AI to a whole new level. Meet Bolt.new. Think ChatGPT, but instead of just chatting, it actually built entire applications for you. We are talking fully functional apps, website, mobile interfaces, and professional presentations, all created by AI in seconds. You don't have to know any code. Just give you idea. It will boom, will create you. Here's the best part. You get 1 million tokens to start with. But what does that actually mean? How far you can stretch those tokens? Today, we are going to find out exactly what you can build before you hit that limit. Every single token, every single possibility, we are going to exploit all because honestly, at the rate things are changing, who knows what will come next. But right now, this is the game changer that you need to know about. Ready to see of the future of development? Let's dive in. All right, I'm going to put my email address. I'm going to sign in up and I'm going to put IT Samurai teacher dot dash 456 or something like that. And I'm going to put a password in here and hit that sign up button. I'm going to go back to my email. I'm going to open the email, and after that, it will straight to take you to the StackBlitz to confirm your account. And now, once you confirm, you will see like this. I'm going to use personal project at hobby, first name, test, maybe test last, whatever the name you want to put, and I'm going to like this. So now you are in the StackBlitz. You have dashboard and everything. Now, for do our AI stuff, generate all this cool mobile apps and stuff, you can see new Bolt.new. This is our magic tool. We're going to click this one. So once you click, make sure you sign in because we already create account, and these are together, right? This is like a main host, and inside they build a Bolt.new. Now everything looks perfect. Now let's jump right in. All right, now before we create any application, let's confirm how many tokens we have. Now, if you go left side, all the way bottom, you can see my subscription. Click that my subscription. So once you click my subscription, you can see how many tokens I have. I have 1 million tokens. It's free, right? So if you want to tokens, purchase tokens, they have a price list 10 million, 20 bucks, 26 million tokens for 50 bucks, like that. Even you have Teams Pro and annual billing, you will get less. You need to pay that much. I mean, a little bit less money, right? But anyways, let me give you advice. Before you purchase anything, just test with your free tokens, money. 1 million tokens, that's a lot, right? Let's find out. Now, let's jump back and let's build some cool applications. Okay, first of all, we're going to build a mobile app. I'm going to put a prompt like build a mobile app that reminds me drink water every hour. That's it. That's all I'm going to put it over here, and let's find out what the Bolt.new will do for us. Hit this button. You can see build a mobile app that reminds me drink water every hour. Now it says, I'll help you create a water reminder app using Expo. Will create a beautiful and functional app with features like hourly water reminders, customized reminder schedule, daily water intake tracking, beautiful UI with animation, progress visualization. Look at that. I didn't ask those anything. I just told build a mobile app that reminds me to drink water every hour. That's the only thing I enter. But the Bolt.new, it telling me, okay, I'm going to create one and I'm going to put hourly water reminders, customize reminder schedule. Can see how fast is that. We got some scanning thing and everything, but here's the thing, I'm not going to show you how to uh, uh, build to the other stuff, right? Like go to the app store and configure and everything. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to give you the foundation, but my next videos are probably I'm going to create more like step-by-step process, how to build a mobile app, how to build a website, how to build a chatbot and everything. So just keep subscribe my channel. I will do that. Now if I close this one, so this is that, can see how fast is that. That's the cool part, right? And settings, auto reminders, sound effects, everything. So you can use added glass, you can see. So this will give iPhone 16, Pixel 9, Galaxy 24, and so you can see this is like a mobile app version. You can see, and if you want, you can go to the uh, web app, like in the browser. You can see in the browser too. So everything's perfect. And after that, once you're done, you can go ahead and deploy the app store. Like there's those few steps, but the biggest step, you already created your web app, mobile app. And just in case if you don't like it, you can give a prompt. Hey, I want this color. I want to create a different style, different. Can you please make a customization? Like put added glass, maybe added a cup, maybe a photo, picture, whatever you want. Just give that idea. Just type this idea. It will create. Now think that we created a mobile app, right? And see how much credit we use. I'm going to my subscription. Okay, see, so it took like few credits to build the app. How simple is that? Believe me, I built my website with that. So if you want to check it out, I'm going to say samuraiteacher.com. So this is the website I built. Look at this. How cool is that? I spent few hours because I want to have my own style. So I created this. We got tutorials, everything is amazing. I'm going to put all the links on the description just so you can go and take a look and see. So I create a blog. So you need only your ideas. If you have ideas, just tell the Bolt.new and this Bolt.new will create for you. But if it's a larger project, probably you need to troubleshoot and stuff. But anyways, this is pretty cool. Now let's jump to the next one. Okay, next I'm going back again to the Bolt. And just in case if you want to continue that project, you just go to your mouse and you can see your chat in here. So probably you can click this one and you can continue again. Now the next one I'm going to create, I'm going to build a mobile app that lets users browse any and buy gadgets. And let's hit this one and see what it does. You can see it's doing the thing. And so let's see what his Bolt.new telling me. I'll help you to create a beautiful and functional e-commerce app for gadgets using Expo. We'll create a fully featured app with product listening, categories, search, cart functionality, and a checkout process. Dude, that's awesome. I don't need to worry anything, right? I don't need to hire anyone actually. That's the biggest thing, right? AI future. Now let's see. Um, so it's awesome, right? Now I'm not going to explain everything about this, but just in case if you really want to study about this web app creation, probably get idea, get some knowledge. What are these are stuff, because just in case if you want to troubleshoot, it's very important. I mean, not only we cannot give AI to build everything. You need to come up with your plans, but when you giving a like your ideas, if you give some ideas, probably it will give you errors. So then you need to come up with a plan, right? Okay, this happened. So that's why you have ChatGPT and other chatbot to help you out. So there's so many things you can get uh, to build and help you. So it's, I can say, it's building on the mobile application. Just in case, so if you see the green checkbox, that means everything created perfectly. And it says browser green. Look at that. Awesome, right? And this is, yeah, this is features already created, and now you can deploy to the App Store. Pretty awesome. Now let's see how much credit we use. Go to my subscription, 950. Okay, now it's good. Now we have an error message. Now remember that it's okay, it will going to build. You can see it's building again. Bolt.new detect we got error, so it will building again. Now always when you build something, you test it on the screen in the preview, right in here. So now this screen doesn't exist. That's mean uh, because you need to give the product links, so that's why you need to learn some stuff how you want to build. Probably you can give the product links. Just tell them, hey Bolt, this is my product, this is my clothes I'm selling, so here you go, here my links, put to the mobile app. That one you need to give all the instructions, links, everything. The Bolt going to create it. Example, if you want to create your own bio, give your bio, because Ball don't know who are you, right? You need to give a, my name is Shea Abdul, this is my website, this is my YouTube, create me a mobile app to showcase my profile, like that. uh, so if you want to run this again, go to the terminal, can see in here npm install. I'm going to install. Okay, we have a, we're going, normally if you get a errors like this, normally you get attempt to fix. Now remember this, every time you tell Bolt to fix something, you're going to lose your credits. So remember that, right? See, so every time, like whatever you're doing, if something happen, if you tell Bolt, hey, can you fix this, fix that, so you're going to end up with a lot of tokens. So for that, just use free agent GPT or whatever, the chat GPT, Cloudy or DeepSeek, anything. Just copy the error code and tell chat GPT or DeepSeek, hey, what this error message, how to fix that. So if you can fix it, you're going to save so many credits, tokens. Only you can give Bolt to build something. If some error comes up, just research from the other DeepSeek or ChatGPT, try to fix by itself, right? But if you don't worry about much, okay, maybe 10 tokens enough to build this, just $25, right? You can focus on that and tell only the Bolt to finish it, because you spend only $25 to 10 million tokens to build this app. That's mean to build that app, you spend only $25. That's a huge, right? So think about, you need to be smart too. All right, now I'm going to go with the next step. What is a start blog with Astro? So I'm going to click that one. I just click the start blog with Astro. So now it says I am exporting your StackBlitz project into Bolt, this may take a moment as I set up everything. Once it's ready, you'll be able to explore and interact with your code. So this is my first time, even I didn't do any test. So you can see it just built a blog. How cool is that? So now, just in case, it's awesome. So if you want to create a blog within minute, you able to do that. Just give you what you want, right? Just create a blog and all the information. So you need to draft a good letter, a good note to backend. You don't try to modify the code like, oh, okay, I need to do this, or can you remove that? Just proper plan. Just do a proper plan. Okay, my blog need to be like this. Give all the information and paste here and tell Bolt, okay, build this. Then it will create. That's how we do it. Now let's see how much. Okay, still I have a lot of tokens. Okay, now let's go back and let's do this next one. Create a docs with WordPress. Let's do that too. I mean, there's so many things you can do it, but Bolt give only few examples. But you can ask Bolt what you can do, and it will tell you. Now, can take some time to preview. Now I'm importing a StackBlitz project into Bolt. Blah blah blah. Can see it's awesome. Examples, everything there. You on GitHub. Awesome. Now let's jump to the next one. All right, quick heads up before we wrap up. While chatting with Bolt is limited on the free account, you still get plenty of tokens to complete your projects. Of course, if you want unlimited chat with Bolt, you'll need to grab a subscription. But don't worry, in my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create mobile apps and make some cash with them. So make sure you are subscribed for that. So what do you think? Pretty mind-blowing, right? We just witnessed how Bolt.new is completely changing the game in development. We can create mobile apps, crazy websites. Look at this. This is my website I created with Bolt.new. Few hours, boom. How crazy is that? I'm loving it, right? So literally anything you can imagine, and that's the beauty of it. If you are creative, you can build something truly valuable. The only limit is your imagination. If you found this helpful, make sure to demolish that like button. It really helped the channel to grow. And hey, if you want to stay updated with the latest AI tools and tech tutorials, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Drop a comment below with what you like to see in the next with Bolt.new. Maybe we'll feature your idea in the next video. Would love to see what creative projects you come up with. This is your IT Samurai teacher signing off. Stay creative, keep building, and I'll see you in the next one.